We want to thank the customer in the video, not only for purchasing our fuel-powered mobility vehicle for people with disabilities, but also for helping us shoot promotional material. He hopes that everyone can live as conveniently as he does. I am truly proud of the work we do. Over the past 18 years, our company has been dedicated to developing and manufacturing mobility vehicles for people with disabilities, providing them with more freedom and possibilities in their daily lives. Today, we were able to bring joy to the person in the video, and it is moments like this that remind us why we do what we do. Our products can be exported to any country, and we aim to help even more individuals by enhancing their mobility and independence. If you found my video meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.